love this front kitchen. It is right in the front, all this counter space. Stove, microwave, refrigerator, freezer. I like just the standard table, chairs. That is a pull-out couch. You could sleep 2 more there. That is a fold-down couch. Sleep 1 or 2 very friendly people. The entertainment center. I think that I have a small lazy boy at home that I think I could put right in here for me to kick up and watch TV. Bathroom. Skylight, high class. Vanity. Toilet. Some storage. And then this had by far the best queen bedroom. It's a slide out. So you got bed, you got tables on each side, some storage above. Room to walk all the way around the bed, a lot of room. A wardrobe. Nice storage for clothes. And since it's basically going to be my home, I need that kind of room. TV that I'll have to fix so I can swivel it because you can't see it from the bed. That's silly. That's basically it. He is working on the financing now, so he'll call me back later. There it is. Oh, I forgot to show you. There is a separate door to walk into the bedroom. Which if I put a runner down, it's carpet. I don't really love carpet in here, but if I put a runner down, it's an easy, quick walk into the bathroom if need be, if you're sitting outside drinking orange juice. All right, bye.